Come test drive the 2016 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.